Alright guys, welcome back to the Frogger's Garage. Today we are working on this here 2007 Mitsubishi Outlander. We're about to change out the rotors for the front. Got a new jack. Alright, so I can't stress enough for safety. Step 1, put a block behind your tire. Step 2, find a good point to jack. I'm right on the front frame, so let's get it jacked up and I'll bring you guys back. Before jacking it up all the way, I recommend getting the lug nuts loose. It'll save you some time and hassle. Me, I have impact, so it don't matter. My jack is only on 3 wheels and that's not safe, so I'm going to reset it. For extra precaution, I take my tire. I need new tires. So I take the tire off and I slide it right under the side of the car. If the vehicle falls, the vehicle will fall right onto the rim and tire, protecting you. Alright, because the new caliper or rotor we're putting on is thicker most likely because it's new, I recommend taking and loosening up the pistons inside the caliper, and I do that just with a screwdriver. Put inside the rotor holes, slide it back and forth. Voila, that comes right off. You're going to want to tuck this up somewhere so it's not falling. Carefully pull the pads out because I'll be reusing mine. And then you got to pull this other mount off. Hold the caliper in place. So far we used a 13/16, a 9/16, and now we are using a 11/16. My ears are ringing. Let me go get a breaker bar. I'm gonna push up and jump and jack. I see that.
It looks worse in the back.
I see.
I love you.
I love you.
Thank you for all you do.
No problem.
Also, one of the chicks has 2 garbage bags full of girls' clothes for me.
Nice. And that's why we use leverage, guys.
Huh?
Recording.
Oh, sorry.
You're good. I know how to edit. I got a storm moving in, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get both sides done. So I gotta hurry. Oh, nice. Alright, gotta replace the rotors, they're warped. So what happens when you race around and get on the brakes hard? Alright guys, I'm gonna pause, find some twine, tie that caliper up, and get that rotor off. Don't want to hit the dust shield. It is on there. Alright guys, I'll bring it back when I have it off. Pulled out my pry bar. Started whacking some more. Break more with some WD-40. And it is free. Kind of whacked my shin with my hammer. I was getting a little wild and mad. It took less than 2 minutes off camera. Here is the Bosch new rotor. Look at that beautiful thing. reassemble it like you pulled it apart. Rubber bushings towards the front, you use the back 2 holes. Make sure your dust shield's not rubbing on anything. Use a couple lug nuts to hold this up. Got a storm rolling in, so I gotta pick up the pace. Feel like it should go on further. There we go. I don't recommend doing that. Bottom one is being a pain in the butt. Start everything by hand so you don't strip no nuts and bolts. Nice and snug. To do the brakes, you basically do the same thing. You just stop there, don't even got to pull the mount off. But if you are doing your calipers and changing out calipers for new, the Corps will expect you to have this bracket. Or you can keep the old bracket and they'll just give you a new caliper, and you keep the caliper mount. Done that. But if you're buying new, might as well get the whole thing brand new. Longer pin on the bottom. Just try to remember how you took it apart. If you don't have WD-40 to put on your bolts or the brake stuff, engine oil works. You just want to keep them lubed up so your calipers don't seize up as easy. After tighten on, move to the other side. After tighten on, and move to the other side after tightening this last bolt on the bottom. And that there, gentlemen and ladies, is how you change your rotors. If you don't have an Outlander, this will still help you, but you might have a bolt holding your rotor on. Alright guys, I'll end the video off here. Thanks for watching. I'll end the video off here. Thanks for watching. Hit the like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.